Okay, this is an unboxing of the Innioasis Y1. Please try to ignore the bird. It's the box it comes in. It's pretty. I like the design of it. Let's see. Literally just got this. So you can't get it. Feels really well packaged. Okay, that's weird that it's like that, but alright. And comes backwards. Instead of, it's alright. I got it in orange. There are different colors. I really love orange. Feels really light. But again, I'm comparing it to an actual iPod, which I have one right over here. This is an iPod Video, I believe 7th gen, not sure. Should probably lock that. But I want it. Oh, there you go. I forgot which one it was. Let's lock it. This is side-by-side comparison. This is definitely smaller, so you can tell. Actually, we have grid here. It's definitely a bit smaller, not too much. The click wheel is well smaller. Almost fits in there, but that's not the point here. In here, what else do we have? This is some foam, like thick foam, cardboard, pretty decent length USB-C to A cable, and some headphones, or earphones. They seem to be decent quality. They're made out of metal. You don't get these anymore. I might have to give this a go. And then here is a quick manual. I'm not gonna do that. Let's see if this has any charge in it. How do you turn this on? I guess that's what the manual's for, no? And okay, power on, power off. Oh, so this is power on, power off. Oh, there you go. It's flashed. Bit of a slow boot there. Oh, it vibrates. That's nice. And here it is. Comes at 97% charge. It's not bad. It's a bit laggy compared to the click wheel in an iPod. Because if I go to, let's say, music, just go to songs, you can see it's really easy to, and it's pretty quickly. This doesn't seem to be as quick, but it's not too bad. Yep. Let's put this away. Yeah, so far seems pretty good. Gonna have to put music into this. It comes with a 128 gigabyte SD card or mini micro SD card inside. You can take this apart. You can look it up on ifixit.com. You can take it apart and open it up and change it to a bigger SD card, micro SD card. I've seen online that people have put in up to 1 terabyte on this, and it works. Displays audiobooks, displays video, displays, although I'm not sure if you want to play video in this form. in this aspect ratio, but I mean, you can watch like older TV shows or whatever. Although phone's probably better for that. Um, but for music, and the best thing about this thing is that it's Bluetooth, so you can pair it to your Bluetooth earphones, and just you don't need to have wired headphones. It also has a tiny speaker. That's it. Let me know if you want me to make more videos about this. I just want to try to make a video about getting a case for it from one of these guys' case or something. I want to put Rockbox on it, so maybe I can do a video about putting Rockbox on it. I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you want, and if you don't, well, you don't have to say anything. I will just want. Like, comment, subscribe, well, all of that thing, it will help.